Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a composition with the final output settings. Choose resolution, frame rate, and duration that match delivery. Then import your assets and keep layered files intact so you can animate parts independently. Once imported, organize footage into folders and color code important layers. This saves time when animating complex scenes. Make sure to enable proxies for large files to keep playback smooth, and lock reference layers to avoid accidental changes as you begin motion work. You now build motion using keyframes on transform properties. Set primary poses first, then refine timing. Once keyframes are placed, apply Easy Ease and open the graph editor to shape velocity curves for natural motion. That's why motion looks professional. Use null objects to control groups, parent layers to maintain relative motion, and precompose repeating elements to simplify the timeline. Also enable motion blur and continuous rasterization for vector art. These small steps make motion smooth and crisp. You finish by polishing timing, easing micro-adjustments, and checking transitions at full resolution. Scrub the timeline and fix any jitter with small position tweaks or the wiggler for organic motion. When satisfied, send the comp to Media Encoder and choose H. 264 for web or ProRes for delivery. Match source settings for best quality. If export problems or lag occur, clear the disk cache, disable heavy effects temporarily, or revert to a recent save. This single troubleshooting tip solves most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.